Good day, everybody. Today we'll discuss fermentation. Fermentation is a chemical process in which microorganisms such as yeast act on carbohydrates to produce ethanol, C2H5OH, and alcohol. Carbon dioxide is also formed. Sugars like starch, which are carbohydrates, are also used in fermentation. Yeast contain enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts. Enzymes cause starch or sugars to break down to glucose. The glucose is then broken down to ethanol and carbon dioxide. Glucose, in presence of yeast, broken down, decomposes to ethanol. Carbon dioxide is formed. Glucose C6H12O6. In presence of yeast, it decomposes into ethanol, C2H5OH, and carbon dioxide, CO2. This is the chemical equation. Fermentation can only take place in the absence of oxygen. If air is present, the bacteria present in the air oxidizes the alcohol into carboxylic acid. The enzymes in yeast work best around 37 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is raised above 37 degrees Celsius, the enzymes will be denatured. The enzyme activity will be lost, and consequently fermentation stops. Ethanol and alcohol, C2H5OH, is formed when glucose, a carbohydrate, a monosaccharide, undergoes fermentation in the presence of yeast. Ethanol is then separated from glucose solution by fractional distillation. This tells us another example of the use of fractional distillation to separate ethanol from mixture during the fermentation process. So fractional distillation is used to separate the alcohol. In Brazil, ethanol is manufactured by fermentation of cane sugar, C12H22O11. Cane sugar contains sucrose, C12H22O11. It is a disaccharide. It is a carbohydrate. The cane sugar is converted to sucrose. The sucrose is then converted to glucose. The glucose is converted to ethanol. The ethanol is used as a fuel. Sometimes to produce ethanol, we ferment fruits, we ferment vegetables, and we ferment grains. So, ethanol, C2H5OH, is the alcohol present in all alcoholic drinks, and it is made by fermentation, in which carbohydrates like starch are first broken down to sugar, then to ethanol by action of enzyme. The C6H12O6 in the presence of yeast is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. The ethanol is used in alcoholic drinks. The ethanol is used as a fuel. That's all from me today. See you next time for another lesson. Goodbye.